Hirokatsu-san sent me this from Japan, matsuba-factory.com. Look at that for a presentation. Ooh, there's a lot of stuff in here. This is so Japanese, I freaking love it. I absolutely adore it. Oh, this is legit. See what's up with all of these? Look at this. What? Curious, very curious. Wait, what? This is a self-assembly kit? Wait a second, what? Wow, so it comes with the two bands for the middle and then the two pieces, of course. Oh, wow, this is done. Oh, this is beautiful. Yeah. So I can make these like these. So beautiful. Hirokatsu-san, thank you so much. This is incredible.
どうもありがとうございました。
That